Welcome to my channel. It was a hot summer night in 1666 when a small spark in a bakery on Pudding Lane ignited a disaster that would change London forever. Within hours, the fire roared through the city, consuming homes, churches, and businesses. The medieval wooden building stood no chance against the inferno. Terrified citizens carried buckets of water into the street. Families fled with their carts. There was chaos everywhere. For 4 days, London burned. Over 13,000 homes and 87 churches were destroyed, leaving nearly 100,000 people homeless. As the fire raged, the wind whipped through the city, carrying embers aloft and spreading the fire still further. It was an apocalyptic scene, one that would be repeated again and again throughout history. But this was the Great Fire of London. And from the ashes of destruction, London was reborn. The fire cleared disease-ridden slums and paved the way for modern rebuilding. Here we see the new St. Paul's Cathedral rising from the skyline. The Great Fire of London was not just a tragedy. It was the spark of a new beginning. Thanks for watching.